All right, job number 19452. Project's called Evergreen Way. It's out here in Everett. This job is for Wexler Properties. We've done quite a few projects for them. And as you can see, we've got a few different auto body places in this, on this property, as well as a Euro shack. So we're looking at asphalt repair, seal coating, and striping. The boundary line here is right where these cars are, all the way down along this building, all the way around this Euro shack and over to AutoZone, which I'll show you. We'll start off with the asphalt repair. The striping quantities and seal coat quantities I'll give you on Google Drive, separate sheet of paper, as well as all the crack fill. So quite a few areas which I will pin it on an aerial map, but there's lots of alligator cracking. Both entrances, this whole area, lots of cracking. Down this whole strip, a lot of alligator cracking. This whole stretch of parking stalls over here. And then you also got these oil spots that are in these parking stalls around AutoZone that'll need to be cut out and replaced. There's really no parking outside the property. And I think this job could get seal coated on probably a weekend. Could be done during a weekday, but we probably would have to split it up into two. So as you can see, though, it's been seal coated before. So I will look into the history on this project to see how we did, how we performed, and if it worked the way we did it last time. So here's one of our asphalt repairs with all the alligator cracking through all these stalls. I think there's approximately 6 stalls there that I factored in. Here's some of the oil spots that we'll need to cut out. I figured 5 by 5 cuts out of these areas, and then we would replace them. A couple of these have been replaced before, like this one's been replaced once, this one's been replaced once. You got construction next door. They want to get this job done this summer, so they want to keep it on a schedule sometime for this summer. So we'll probably get to work. Here's some more stalls that I accounted for that have oil spots. The biggest patch that you'll see on the aerial map is this whole drive aisle all the way through. I caught a majority of it because you could see with the sunlight hitting here that there's a lot of alligator cracking here. So I wanted to capture most of the drive aisles here. This corner right here, it's another area. It's been busted up a little bit by the mailbox. There's also a strip here on the ground. Thought we'd fix that too. Decent amount of crack fill on this property. Here's another small one, a little 5 by 5 that I counted on the west side of Dutch Brothers. So we would do that one and crack fill the rest. The other large repair of asphalt is in this drive aisle, which is the north side, just south of the auto body. But we would capture this area as well as all of this down the drive aisle about 20 some feet, and then it'll reduce down to this crack that goes down the center. You patch this up, and the entrance down on the far end here on the north end of this building has got the whole entrance that needs to be replaced. It's cracking everywhere. So I think I figured from curb all the way out, past all the alligator cracking, and we'd end it somewhere right in here. Okay, like I said, I'll give you quantities on seal coating and striping and crack filling on a separate sheet. We have to include the striping for the Euro shack. 2-inch asphalt. You do not have to do that lot on the other side of that concrete. That should do it. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.